Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about IDE. An IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, is a specialized software application that provides programmers with a comprehensive set of tools for software development. It is a software tool that brings together everything a programmer needs to write, edit, and test their code in one convenient place. In an IDE, you can find features like text editor, debugger, compiler or interpreter, version control integration, and project management tools. Text editor is used for writing and editing code with syntax highlighting and code completion. Debuggers are tools for finding and fixing mistakes in the code by allowing you to run the program step by step and inspect variables. Compilers or interpreters run and test your programs. The purpose of version control integration is to collaborate with others and manage changes to the code base. Project management tools organize and manage multiple files and resources. It is like a digital workshop where programmers can build and improve their software projects. IDEs make it easier for programmers to work efficiently and collaborate with others on coding projects. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.